Hi there, it's Susan. Today I will be making rosemary bread rolls. First I'm adding 3 cups of bread flour. Then 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Then 3/4 of a tablespoon of sugar. Then 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Now 3/4 tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary. You can also use dried rosemary. Now mix all the dry ingredients together. Now I'm adding 1 1/4 tablespoons of virgin olive oil and 1 1/2 cups of cool water. Now I'll be stirring it all together and making sure all the flour is wet. Now cover it with SURAN wrap and let it sit on the counter at room temperature for about 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Okay, it's ready now. It's doubled in size. Now I'm going to place it on a floured board. Now I'm adding my dough to the board, to the floured board. So now what you do is you flatten it down a few times and then fold it over a few times. Now I'm shaping it into a ball, and then I'm going to be cutting it in eight equal parts. So now I am shaping each piece into a ball, tucking the extra dough underneath at the bottom. I'm trying to make it as round and smooth on top as possible. And then I'm going to place it on parchment paper. I'll do that to the rest of them. So now cover with a clean kitchen towel and leave it for 1 to 2 hours on the counter. Place your clay baker in the oven a half an hour before baking and turn the oven on to 450 Fahrenheit. Transfer the dough onto the baker and then bake for 15 minutes. Okay, they are ready now. So I will take them out of the oven and let them cool on the counter for probably 15 to 20 minutes. They're nice and soft. So now I'm going to try one.